Hello everyone. In this tutorial I will show you how to install WordPress. Before installing WordPress you have to create a database, that is MySQL database. So I'm going to MySQL databases in this option. Here you will see that create new database. Here I will create a database. I have to provide a database name and provide here database name as example, example, example. This is the database. I'm pressing create database. And you see that a database has been added. I'm going back, scrolling down. As you see that this is the database. This is the Meraki PD. This is the user ID. Under user ID, under this user ID, this is the database name. So if you think about database name, you have to take the whole name, that is Meraki BT underscore example is the database name. So under this database you have to create a user. So I am scrolling down a little bit. I am add new user. Here I have to give a username. I am providing a username as Adam, A-D-A-M, Adam as a user, and providing a password. So you can generate a strong password here, pressing here. This is I'm taking this password as a strong password. I'm copying this, Ctrl C, copy, and going to this notepad and writing down the database name. Database name is MERAKPT underscore example. This is my database I have created recently, and database user name is MERAKPT underscore ADAM, and database password will be, I have copied this password and pasting here. So this is the database. We will need here in this database when installing WordPress. So I am keeping it and preserving it for future use. So I'm minimizing it here, and you have to check this. I have copied this password in a safe place. You have to check this and use password, and a password is allocated. You have to press create user. Go back. If you scroll down, you will see that this is the database. This is your database name, and under user you have recently created. This is the user you have recently created. Now what I need to do, you have to select here the database. Your newly created database is Meraki BT underscore example. You have to select this. Under this database you have to add a user. So I have created a database. After that I have created an user. So this is the user Meraki BT. So I have created this database, I have created this user, and you have to make a connection between this database and user. So if I click add here, then this user will be added under this database. So I am clicking here add. So under this database, this Adam user is added. What I need to do is, you have to check mark all privileges and scroll down a little bit and press make changes. So your database is created. I'm going back. Your database is successfully added. So in next video I will show you how to download WordPress for installation. Thank you.